सिडनी में गूंजी झरिया की आवाज। भारत की अनुपमा सिंह ने कोयलांचल के मजदूरों के हक की लड़ाई को वैश्विक मंच पर मजबूती से रखा। ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सिडनी में आयोजित इंडस्ट्री ऑल ग्लोबल यूनियन कॉन्फ्रेंस 2025 में अनुपमा सिंह ने झरिया और धनबाद क्षेत्र के श्रमिकों की दिक्कतों को दुनिया के सामने रखा। उन्होंने खास तौर पर महिला खनन श्रमिकों के सशक्तिकरण और समान काम समान वेतन जैसे अहम मुद्दों पर जोर दिया। कहा कि अब समय आ गया है जब महिलाओं को खनन क्षेत्र में बराबरी का दर्जा मिलना चाहिए। 1 से 3 नवंबर तक चले इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन में दुनिया के कई देशों के प्रतिनिधि शामिल हुए, जहां खनन श्रमिकों की सुरक्षा, अधिकार और भविष्य पर गहन चर्चा हुई। अनुपमा सिंह की इस पहल ने भारत के झरिया और कोयलांचल के मजदूरों की आवाज को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर पहचान दिलाई है। सिडनी से झरिया तक एक ही आवाज, एक ही संदेश, समान काम समान हक की गूंज अब पूरी दुनिया में। स्वागत।
थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्ते एवरीवन। A very good evening to all the sisters, special guests on the stage. This IndustriALL Global Union Congress is not only a gathering, it's an institution where we are learning from you guys. The wearer know where the shoe pinches. Only women can understand women. We are the power who has created the world. I am a young woman representing the mining sector from India. I am Anupama Singh representing India and my union INMF Inter. As I would like to tell you about myself, that I have fought a parliamentary election from a place which is called a coal capital of India, that is Dhanbad. There is a place in Dhanbad which we call, I don't know you guys have heard about it or not, we call it Jharia, which is burning since ages. Hundreds of years the place is continuously burning and thousands of people are staying near the place. It's a serious issue. We have started encouraging women by making them area secretary and co-secretary, especially to those areas where they have to fight strongly against the outsourcing companies for their equal rights. Workers are badly treated by the outsourcing companies as they are privately working in that sector. Their children die during their job, but no measures have been taken by the companies. Again and again it happens, again family gets compensation and again it goes on. Gender inequality is a major issue in the whole world. We are the only one who can make the difference. Together we can and we will make a difference. The action plan made by you guys are awesome. The only thing we have to do is to implement. I invite you guys to my place and see how they are living their life. And then I would request you guys to suggest some so that we can implement those things. In India, there is a saying, Nari tu Narayani hai, which means, girl, you are a goddess. The power is inside you. The power is nowhere else. The only power you can gain is from yourself. So I request you all, as I am witnessing since morning also, yesterday also I was there, and you guys are doing tremendous job, especially these guys, the ma'am co-chair, and she has done tremendous job. Yesterday I have seen you guys are doing tremendous job for the whole world. It's tremendous that women are representing their countries and I feel proud to be a woman. So guys, I just request you to help all the women who want who need you. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Namaste.